Okay, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. We have 15,110 miles on the odometer. Now, the flickering and little weird things going on the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. It's just the camera being kind of funky with the frequency. Non-smoker, extremely clean inside and out. Got a lot of PPF paint protection film on the front of this vehicle on all those high impact hit areas. You can definitely tell this thing was babied. Of course, only has 15,000 miles, but really, really nice. Normally when I hit that bump there, it just shakes all the cars around, and this thing drove over it like it was nothing. Shifts nice and smooth. Alignment's perfect. Steering wheel's nice and straight. No weird vibrations or weird noises or anything. And it's really windy out today, and you can't tell when you're in here. Thing has a ton of power. I wouldn't let the size fool you. It definitely can get up and go when you need to, and that wasn't 100%, but that was just enough to get up and go out of traffic, and it will definitely put you in your seat. Beautiful car though, no complaints about drivability whatsoever. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car does have a lot of PPF on it, which is paint protection film or clear bra. So the full front bumper is protected, and the lower gloss black edges here, the headlights have film on it. And then you're going to see, if you follow that line, that has film on it protecting it. Nothing on the fender. Then you also have film on that entire A-pillar, so the entire gloss black trim here. You're going to see it right here on this front section, as well as across the roof. So all of the white right there. So all these high impact hit areas. You also have it on the full side mirror, and then you have it on the gloss black trim here on both those pillars, and then you have it on this little pillar right there. And if you look close, you have it on the edge of the door handle and the door edge right there on both doors. So all of that is PPF paint protection film, so it's going to help with rock impacts and things like that. And it's virtually, invisible. It looks amazing, and it's really good to have it on all those high impact hit areas. Looking at that fender though, looks amazing. Here on that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Scorpion 0 all seasons. 285 45 22s. Date code right there, 2024. Gloss black trim looks amazing. Side mirror, like I said, PPF on there. That door looks good. Same with that door. That looks good. I don't see any curb rash there. That lower side, you can see that gloss black trim looks awesome. That Grill looks good. Headlights are clean. Looking at the hood, looks good. Now you're gonna have a couple rock impacts right there. Got a tiny one there, a little guy there. You got one right here on the edge. So it looks like that would have been a good spot to add more film. So you could touch that up and then go have this little strip right here added with some film, because that's a high impact hit area as well, and that'd be very, very inexpensive. The rest of that fender looks good. That wheel looks amazing. I do see a couple little spots right there on the edge. A couple little markings on that, which has PPF on it though. That looks good. That door looks amazing. That quarter looks good. Same with this wheel, no curb rash. So far this thing's absolutely perfect. Now the biggest flaw that I found is right here. There is a gash, and it looks like it probably hit the garage door. You know, you can see these little vertical lines, and so unfortunately that happened. I would touch that up, and you could probably even PPF that area if you think it's going to clip the garage again. At least the film will protect it a little bit. Besides that though, she looks incredible. Looking at the interior, absolutely gorgeous color combo here. Non-smoker, smells amazing. This thing just looks awesome. Really, really nice. Here on that door panel, upper section looks good. You got the textured wood grain. Really clean. Got your memory seating, gloss black accents. In this little door pocket, you can see this little spot here is like felt lined, so it's really nice. A lot of storage in there. This trim has PPF on it as well, so paint protection film. So you do see a few little scuffs, but that's just in the film. Carpets look good. Edge of the seat looks perfect. I don't see really any flaws on that seat. Here on the steering wheel, if you look at it, it has a nice matte finish to it. It's not chewed up or anything. I don't see any little scuffs or scratches on it, so it's nice and clean. That looks good. Looks nice. Got your lift gate button. All of this looks really good. Push button start is right here. 15,000 miles. Now the flickering that you see here, that's just in camera, that's not in person. Nothing in here is actually flickering, it's just the camera doing that. It's kind of going crazy. So you have a pretty deep storage in here, and then you have your cup holder, but you can move it back, and you have a pretty good compartment in there. And then you have a decent little spot there with the wireless charging pad. Those work perfect. Looking at the upper side of the dash, looks amazing. Here on this door panel, absolutely gorgeous, no flaws. Looking in here, you have the soft touch on the inside there. That's really nice. You do have a scratch right here, but there is film on this protecting it. So I believe that's just in the film. So remove that film and have a new strip installed, and that should go away. That bolster looks incredible, nice and clean. These seats are really, really nice. That looks good. Glove box looks nice. Now right there is a tiny chip on that wood grain. That looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. Massive panoramic roof. Very nice. Looking at this door panel, I don't see any flaws. You have film on that edge as well. Carpet looks good. Seats look incredible. Really not much to pick apart back here. Here on that door panel, looks amazing. Once again, you have the protection here on that, and it does have a few little marks. Looking at that seat, looks awesome. Really nothing to complain about back here. It is really, really clean. All right, looking in the cargo area. Now it does have a third row. Now that's folded down, and it has a cargo cover there. So I believe that needs to be removed to then raise the seats up. And so you have all of the buttons right here. And you can also raise and lower the back suspension to make it a little bit easier to get things in and out. Of course, this is power, which is very nice. And then, of course, this is power. Gonna scan through the engine bay here. Of course, lots of plastic, but everything is fully protected and looks really good. Nice and clean. All of this plastic is protected. Here on the underhood liner, it's in great condition. I don't see any flaws there.